Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I am absolutely thrilled to share this explainer with you today. So, this is actually part 2 of our special 10-part tutorial series, and it's specifically crafted as a friendly guide for older adults. You know, if you've been hearing the term artificial intelligence or AI thrown around on the evening news or maybe by your family, and you've been sitting there wondering what on earth it actually is, well, you are in exactly the right place. We've designed this explainer to be completely 100% jargon-free. We're using ADA-compliant large fonts designed for visual accessibility throughout the series, and our whole focus here is simply on how this technology can make your daily life a little easier, a little richer, and a lot more connected. And no, you do not need a technology background to get it. I do also want to mention real quick that this wonderfully practical tutorial is brought to you by Virtualization Options LLC. They are a highly reliable technology research, education, and advisory organization based right out of Colorado. They have done a phenomenal job curating this information so it's approachable and actually relevant for older adults. So we're going to be relying strictly on their fantastic, grounded materials to guide our learning today. Okay, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with number 1. Meet your tireless assistant. Number 2, you already use AI. 3, how AI works. Number 4, voice assistants. And finally, number 5, help is available. Let's dive right into section 1. Meet your tireless assistant. AI is just a helpful computer program. So, for decades now, Hollywood movies and science fiction books have kind of been feeding us these myths about scary, out-of-control robots taking over the world, right? Well, we want to permanently replace that myth with reality. And the reality of AI is that it's simply a tireless assistant. It's just a computer program that learns from experience to help you do things. It never needs to sleep, it literally never gets frustrated with you, and it is always ready to help, day or night. It's basically just a tool on your device, quietly waiting for your instructions. All right, moving to section 2. You already use AI. AI is already part of your day. Think about this for a second. If you have ever logged into Netflix and it suggested a show that you ended up loving, well, that was AI recognizing your preferences. Or if you've ever sent a text message to your grandchild and your phone automatically fixed a typo using autocorrect, that was AI too. Or maybe you've been in the car using Google Maps and it suddenly rerouted you to avoid a huge traffic jam. Yep, that was all AI at work. Honestly, you have already mastered these tools in your daily life without even thinking about it. Section 3. How AI works. Learning without the jargon. So, you might be wondering, how does it actually learn? Well, AI learns by studying millions of examples. Think about how you learned to cook. You didn't just instantly know how to bake a perfect pie or roast a chicken, right? No, you learned by watching others, reading recipes, and practicing over time. A computer program does the exact same thing. It studies millions of examples of human writing, human speech, and human decisions until it learns how to recognize patterns and become helpful to you. It's actually that simple. Now, we get to introduce a very popular phrase you might be hearing in the news lately: generative AI. Generative AI is simply AI that goes a step further. Instead of just suggesting a movie or fixing a spelling mistake, it acts more like a creative partner. It can actually generate or create entirely new things for you. So it can help you draft a letter to an old friend, it can give you a conversational answer to a complex question, or it can even describe what is happening in a photograph. It really is like having a creative assistant right at your fingertips. But here is the absolutely crucial point. You do not need to understand how complex algorithms work to benefit from them. Think about driving to the grocery store. You don't need to understand the mechanical engineering of a combustion engine to just turn the key and drive your car, right? Well, the exact same thing is true for AI. You don't need a technical background at all to enjoy the incredible benefits it brings to your daily routine. That brings us to section 4, voice assistants, your hands-free helper. You likely recognize names like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These are AI tools designed specifically to respond to your voice. And this is a brilliant option if typing on a tiny smartphone screen is getting difficult, or if it's uncomfortable for your hands. With just your voice, you can instruct this AI to solve immediate daily challenges. You can tell it to set a daily medication reminder, which keeps you safe and on schedule. You can ask it to dial the phone and call your grandchild. You can ask it to play your favorite music from the 1960s, or just, ask it to check the weather before you step outside. It empowers you to control your environment entirely hands-free. Finally, section 5, help is available. You are never alone in learning this. Let's look at some actionable steps you can literally take today, right from the comfort of your couch. If you want to learn more about a popular generative AI tool like ChatGPT, there is an absolute abundance of video support available for you. Step 1, just go to YouTube on your phone, your tablet, or your computer. Step 2, type exactly this phrase into the search bar. ChatGPT for beginners, older adults. Step 3, you will instantly find dozens of friendly, patient, step-by-step video walkthroughs from helpful teachers who specialize in guiding seniors through this exact topic. It's fantastic. But hey, what if you prefer sitting down with a real person? You actually have a fantastic, trusted resource right in your own neighborhood. Many local public libraries offer completely free tech help sessions. You don't need a fancy appointment. You definitely don't need a credit card. You just walk right up to the reference desk and ask. Real human help is readily available to guide you through setting up or using these AI tools on your personal devices. I absolutely love this quote from our source material, from Virtualization Options. And I want to read it to you word for word because it is just so grounding. It says, AI is a tool, like a telephone or a microwave, that quietly makes everyday life a little easier, a little richer, and a little more connected. See, it's not about replacing human connection. It's really just another everyday household appliance designed to help you thrive. As we close out part 2 of this series, I want to leave you with these 3 incredibly encouraging tenets to carry with you. First, be curious. Every single question you have is a great question, so don't be afraid to start asking them. Second, be patient with yourself. Learning absolutely anything new takes a little time. You got this. And finally, enjoy the journey. The best is yet to come, and AI is simply here to help you enjoy it more fully. Which brings us to our final thought for today's explainer. What is the very first task you will ask your new tireless assistant to help you with today? I mean, will you ask Siri about the weather? Will you ask Alexa to play a favorite song? Go ahead and take that first step. Use your voice and confidently explore this incredible tool for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really look forward to guiding you through our next topic soon.